How does he fling his fling? Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. So for today, we have a new box that we will be reviewing. It is, I believe it's supposed to be like a play on words for like Boutik LT subscription. And I am so excited to open this. It is just such a cute subscription. Absolutely adorable. Also, I do want to apologize. I've been running behind on unboxing some of these boxes. So a little quick update for you guys, going a little off the side of the road there. So the boys did not end up coming to spend the night for the weekend, but I did have them for 6 hours yesterday at my house, our very first unsupervised visit in over 4 years. And then we had another visit today and I took them fishing. So that was super fun. So again, I've just been running nonstop. So please excuse the hair and let's get into this bag. I gave you my heart. Okay, so first let's read up on this bag before we jump into it. This is a pajama subscription and it is $26.40 a month. This does come from Canada. It's free shipping in August, and then shipping will be $10 all months after. So if you want to jump on this month, this would be the month to do it to get free shipping. So if you use the code NEWJAM, you'll get a discount of $17.49. That is the biggest discount we have ever gotten on this channel. That is amazing. Your first box would then be, if I did my math correctly, would be $8.91. If I did my math correctly, that is the most amazing deal ever. So, if I didn't, point it out to me down below in the comments. Math is not my strong suit. Okay. Your first box will ship in 2 to 3 business days. If you order by the 20th to get August box, we are now past the 20th. So if you order afterwards, then you will be getting the September's box. It's shipped monthly on the 5th of every month. It ships worldwide from Canada. The sizes go up to a 2XL, and there are 5-star reviews on this subscription. So, enough of that. Let's just bust into this.
Okay, how do you open it? This way? Nope, that looks like the bottom. Okay.
Okay, I don't want to look in. I don't want to spoil the surprise. So first, I guess I'm going to pull out the pajama set right off the top. Oh, that is so cute. Here is what it looks like in the package. There's like this cute little kitty right there. This is the 2XL size. So let's get into it. Okay. So here is what the shirt looks like. How cute with the little pocket and the sleeves. And it's a button up. Cute. And then pants to match. Look at that cute little kitty right there. Those are super adorable and super soft. It says ouch. How cute. That's for the 2X right there. You're supposed to be able to put your pants around your neck, and if they touch around the backside, then they're supposed to fit. I don't know if that actually works. Have you guys done that before? I don't know. That's just something I've always heard. Okay, now we're going to grab this. Oh, wow, there's quite a few things in this package right here. Oh my gosh, I swear, if that's a fan, I'm literally going to freak out. Okay, first of all, Here's an envelope. What's this? Oh my God, yes! I'm so excited. So I've been wearing a black mask basically since this all started. So to have a cute feminine mask like this is so amazing. That's going in my car. I know I'm probably being a little overexcited, but honestly, like you guys already know, I have the worst immune system on the planet. I have asthma. I'm terrified to catch this thing going around. And I wear a mask everywhere I go. I stay 6 feet away from everybody at all times. I'm not mad that my governor is telling us that we are required to wear masks. I'm glad, because if everybody just wore their masks, the scientists said this would all disappear. Anyways, moving on. This is not what this video is about, but I thought that was cool. Okay. Pink Panther. There we go. Let's fix this hair up a little bit. Oh, it's a headband. Oh, I like that. I can never keep track of my headbands because when I sit down to do my makeup, I love getting my hair out of my face, or if I'm masking, if I'm chilling in my pajamas and I'm putting on a sheet mask or a clay mask or something, this is great to keep your hair out of your face. Plus, it's cute. You bend it? Yes. Aw. Okay, next. I dropped one. Scrunchies. So cute. So there's that one. That one's see-through. And then it has little white flowers. And then there's this one. This one has little daisies on it. It's cute. Oh, this would work perfectly for my hair, to be quite honest. I have such thick hair, so scrunchies would probably be the way to go. This is a fan. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. How do you do it? I can't read what that says. But oh my gosh, this reminds me of Peter Mon. Beast. Okay, sis. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, I have a fan. I don't have one. And ever since I saw Peter on his channel, like the way that he just like, I don't know how he does it. How does he fling his fans around like that? Okay. I'm gonna have to get a hold of Peter Mon and have him teach me how to use this because I am so stoked. Okay. I thought that's what it was. All right. Is this the last item? It is. Chanclas! That's Spanish for flip-flops. Yay! These are size 7-8. Come with little styrofoams right there on the toes. Oranges. Hello Kitty! Wow, that's a lot brighter on camera than over here. It's more of like a lighter peach color in person. But isn't that adorable? Apparently in Canada, the 7-8s are a size 39. Good to know. Those are adorable. Okay, we have to recap. This box was super cute. I love it. Okay, if you get all of this stuff every month, I feel like that would be worth it. What do you guys think? So we got the Hello Kitty chanclas. Those are cute. I can't wait to wear those. Summertime, yes. We got the Pink Panther pink headband. I like it. The 2 scrunchies. It's 1, 2, 3. The freaking fan, man. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so amazing. Boom. Beast. Oh man, if any of you guys talk to Peter Mon, you gotta get him over here to watch this video and tell him that he needs to teach me or make a tutorial video on how to properly fling your fan around dramatically. Because I need to learn. Okay, and then we got these super cute, I believe that's Hello Kitty as well, right? That's Hello Kitty. A face mask. Oh my gosh, it's so much comfortable than mine. I feel like it would protect me a lot better too, because the one I have is like this cheap one that I got from Fred Meyer's. So I feel like this would be a lot more protecting. I like it. And then we got the pajama pants and the pajama shirt. That's cute. They're so soft. Here's the stitching. I know some people are very particular about the stitching on their clothes. So that looks like it would be pretty strong. It's stitched over like twice. Yeah, that looks like it'll hold up great. Wow. Well, you guys, that was everything I got. Let's see. Of course, so I'm going to say I have two favorite items from this box, and that would be the mask and the fan. This is like my all-time favorite. This is my second favorite, but I really like both of them. My least favorite product in the bag would probably be the scrunchies, but they are very practical. I'll use them definitely probably on a daily because they just look like they would be, one, really cute, and two, they would hold up my big, thick mane. And that would be really nice. Instead of using the thin little black hair elastics that constantly snap on me every time I'm trying to put it around my hair. It's so annoying. So, and then these are just super adorable. I'm going to go put them on right now. So, please let me know down below what your guys' favorite product in this box was. Do you like it? Is it worth it? Go check it out. I will have the link to their box down below. And like always, I love you guys so, so very much. Hit up Peter Mon. Get him on this video. Tell him to make a tutorial video on how to fling your fans around dramatically. And that's all I have for you guys. Bye.